Hello everyone, I Rakhi. Welcome you to my channel. Let's verbalize. Today I'm going to take the topic hydroxychloroquine, whether a game changer or not. Well, this is a statement from US President Donald Trump that hydroxychloroquine can be a game changer during COVID-19 breakdown. And this hydroxychloroquine, it's a drug which is highly available in India, as India is the largest exporter of hydroxychloroquine throughout the world. Now this drug is in heavy demand from all over the world. Let me tell you what this drug do. This is a drug that is used to treat malaria and autoimmune disorder. Well, you know, malaria is a disease that is caused due to mosquitoes, and this autoimmune disorder, I'll give a little explanation about it. What happens whenever any virus enters our body? It starts infecting our body and our immune system starts reacting against it. It considers that virus as an outside foreign particle and starts attacking on it. But sometimes what happens, our immune system gets so much active that it starts killing the vital important cells of our body, especially the cells of our skin and the cells of our joints. That time the immune system has become overactive. This is called an overactive immune system. So this kind of disorder is autoimmune disorder. It's an autoimmune condition also called. Now, this autoimmune disorder has to be treated, that is, we need to tame it, our immune system has to be tamed. That time this hydroxychloroquine is very important for the body, as it is used to treat this problem, this condition. Now the same kind of condition is there when a COVID-19 patient is struggling. The same kind of condition arises. That's why India tested this medicine during the treatment, and somewhere we were very much successful with the results of this drug. Now this drug is being demanded all over the world, and India has agreed to give this drug to the neighboring countries and some other countries also, only after our demand, our requirement has been fulfilled. Once there will be sufficient drug for our country. Right now the export of hydroxychloroquine has been stopped, and now India has agreed that once our requirements will be fulfilled, it will be supplied, it will be exported in other countries. It will be our neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan, and in other countries also like USA, Israel. It will be supplied to those countries also. Now we now know that hydroxychloroquine is very important. It somewhere does a lot of effect in COVID-19 treatment, but I request all the viewers that do not dare to take any hydroxychloroquine or any other such drug yourself. It's better if you feel any symptom of COVID-19 to please consult doctor. Doctors, once consultation, whatever will be said, then it won't be any harmful to take this medicine, because this medicine has many side effects also. Like it may lead to rhythmic heart problem, it may lead to severe low blood pressure and many other side effects also. So without the guidance of a doctor, it's not prescribed, it's not good to take this medicine. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.